Good morning, everyone. How are you all? So, class, today we are going to revise verbs and we will be completing the topic of verbs also. And this is your lecture number 2, as you all can see, and it is all from PC Brain's grammar book, term 2. So, let us start it. Fine. So, the next is just a second, beta. So the topics which we are going to cover in this lecture is, that is, I will be again explaining you the verbs definition, and as we have done with 3 helping verbs, the use is am are. So now we will be completing the use of helping verbs was, were, has, have, had. All these are in your syllabus. Fine. So what do you mean by verb? As I have already told you, verb is a doing word. Verb is known as doing word and an action word. हिंदी में हम इसको बोलते हैं क्रिया, जो भी हम काम करते हैं. Whatever action we do, that is known as verb. So a verb is a word used to express a certain action done by somebody or something. It is also known as doing word. Fine. So you can look a picture over here. They have done a conversation between them. Now let us read that conversation. What did you do yesterday? तुमने कल क्या किया? I went for fishing. How was it? It was fun. How was the party yesterday? It was fun. So they are both are having the conversation that is over. They did it yesterday. कल की थी ये बातचीत उन्होंने. तो जो एक्शन हम कल करते हैं, जो एक्शन हमने कल किया या कल किया था, उसे हम बेटा यू बोलते हैं पास्ट. क्या बोलते हैं उसे? पास्ट. जो हम अभी करेंगे दैट इज प्रेजेंट. जो आने वाले कल में करेंगे दैट इज फ्यूचर. सो द एक्शन विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन एंड इट्स ओवर. वी डिड इट येस्टरडे. फाइन. सो फॉर दैट वी यूज हेल्पिंग वर्ब was and were. For that we use helping verb was and were. उसके लिए क्या helping verb हम use करते हैं? Was and were. Now look over here. Helping verb, where do we use was and where do we use were? We use both these helping verbs in past tense. Past means जो action हम already कर चुके हैं. Now where we use was. Was किसके साथ use करते हैं? It is used with first person singular and third person singular pronoun. As I have already told you about pronouns, there are 3 person, first person, second person and third person. So was is used with first person singular I and third person singular pronoun, that is he, she, it. Like examples, he was the captain of the team. Anil was absent yesterday. Anil was absent yesterday. कल छुट्टी पे था. Edison was born on February 11, 1847. He was very helpful. I was in Delhi last night. It was last page of the book. So the actions which we performed yesterday, the work which was done yesterday, for them we use was and were. And was, as I have already told you, it is used with first person singular, third person singular. Now next is were. Where do we use were? Were is used with third person and first person plural, and also with second person. Means third person plural is they, them. First person plural is we, us. Fine. You is the second person. Second person plural or singular is you only. So with them, third person, first person and second person we use were. We use were. Like example, you were very greedy. तुम थे. Now you is the second person. I do not know where they were planning to sit. They is third person plural. Or any plural noun. It is also used with any plural noun. Like my parents. Now parents are plural. They are plural in number. Were deeply grieved and perplexed. The houses of the city were all made of glass. Fine. All eyes were on Alex as he mounted. The soldiers were marching through the fields. So these all actions were performed in past. So we used were with them. And were is used with third person, first person plural and second person. Okay. Next is, we have done with two helping verbs more, was and were. Now it is about has, have and had. We will be studying has, have and had. Now let me tell you prior that helping verb has, have and had, they are used when something belongs to someone. When something belongs to someone, it is used for possession. It is also used for possession when one is the owner of that thing. Fine. It is also used for possession. And has and have, they both are used in present. Present means जो अभी action हुआ. And had is used with past. Had is used in past. So let us check. We use has with third person singular. Now what is third person singular? He, she, it. Pronoun, and also with singular nouns. Also with singular nouns. Now look over here on the examples. He. He is the third person singular. He was a great idea. He has a great idea. Sorry. The new iPhone is great. It has a bigger screen. Fine. Has is used in present. She has a car that we can borrow. When something belongs to someone, the car belongs to her. My uncle has two sons. This man has no sense. The teacher has a lot of work. I hope you have understood that has is used with third person singular pronoun or any singular noun. Now next is have. Next is have. Now where do we use have? Have is again used in present. It is again used in present. So we use have with third person plural. Third person plural, that is, what is third person plural? They or them. And with I and you also. Means with first person singular, that is I, and with second person, that is you, we use have. We use have. अगर आपको बेटा अच्छे से persons याद होंगे, first person कौन सा है, singular, second person, third person, singular and plural both, then it will be very easy for you to do it. Fine. So have. I have a beautiful dress. Now I is first person singular. Many boys and indeed many girls have read this story. Now they are plural nouns. Many boys and many girls, they are plural nouns. So we have used over there have. You have a good family. You is second person. These knives have sharp blades. Some clocks have a third hand. They have a big house to live. These chocolates have different flavors. I hope you have understood. Now have is used with third person plural and with first person singular and second person we use have. Next is had. It is had. It's very easy. Had is also used for possession. It is also used for possession when something belongs to someone. Now where do we use had? Had is used with all the pronouns. It is used with all the pronouns, first person, second person, third person, be it singular, be it plural. But you have to keep this in your mind that it is used in past. It is used in past. Like Jack had fun at the party last Saturday. The action was done on last Saturday. We had a big house when I was a kid. Fine. They had played well. I had written an essay on my best friend last night. The action was done last night. They had won the match. So I hope you have understood the use of was, were. Both are used in past, and was is used with singular and were is for plural, and then has, have, had. They all three are used for possession. Has and have is used in present and had is used in past. Fine. So it's very easy. Now this is your homework solution. I gave you the 13 sentences. Fine. To fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Now where do we use is? Is used with singular noun and with third person singular. Am is used with I and are is used with plural noun, third person plural, and with second person and with first person plural. We use are. Like we are watching television. Now we is first person plural. Rohit is a strong boy. It is 8 o'clock now. She is a taxi driver. Cat and dogs, they are plural, are pet animals. You is the second person, are late again. My brother's singular noun is a waiter. Fine. Now next is we are good children. My brother and I. Now these are two person, brother and I are in same class. Tom and Jerry are good cartoon characters. They are my parents. He is our neighborhood. He is our good neighbor. I am in grade 1. I hope you have understood the use of these helping verbs. आपको समझ आ गया होगा इनका use. Now we have done the use of is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. So these two exercise which is given in your book. Let me tell you the page number also. It is of chapter number 16. You have to do both the exercise yourself. Then you will be able to understand what have you learned. Okay. It is given on page number 67. This is exercise number 1. In this you have to underline the verbs. Simple. Then this is exercise number 2. In this you have to fill in the blanks with the verb alongside. These are verbs and you have to fill in the blanks with the help of these verbs. I hope you will be able to do it. Fine. So we have completed our chapter number 16 also, the simplest chapter. And in this chapter what we have done? The use of helping verb, that is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. Fine. This is all for today. Thank you.